G'day, I'm Jack Roney, retired police officer and author of the Detective Jared O'Connor crime series. Are you writing a crime manuscript set in Australia? Do you need advice on Australian police procedures to add authenticity and realism to your story? If so, watch this video to the end because I've got some information which I think you'll want to know about. I'm offering Australian crime writers a sneak peek behind the scenes into the real world of policing, to give you a rare insight as to what really goes on inside a police station, at a crime scene, during police interviews and during criminal investigations. The information I'm going to share with you is much more in-depth and specific regarding Australian police procedures than you'd ever be able to find on your own by doing a Google search. I'll be pulling the curtain back to give you a first-person point of view of what really happens during a criminal investigation from someone who has experience and has lived it in real life. I was a police officer for over 33 years. 14 of these years I was a detective investigating a broad range of criminal investigations. Now that I've handed in my gun and badge, I feel that a lot of the information and experience that I've gained over those years of policing could really help other crime writers. So rather than seeing this experience and knowledge go to waste, I'm using this information to help other crime writers to answer questions about police procedures and criminal investigations. Writers have been seeking me out, desperate for insider information. So as a result, I've started doing one-on-one Zoom sessions as a sort of a coaching consultation session with writers, where I can talk you through your manuscript and any questions that you might have to add authenticity and realism to your specific story. I've had some fantastic feedback from the writers that I've helped during these coaching sessions. And if you'd like to find out more, just go to my website, jackroney.com.au, and click on the coaching link. What I'm here to tell you about in this video is a brand new special members only area on my website where you can gain exclusive access to a suite of video tutorials where I go into depth explaining various police procedures and other topics. These topics include the structure of Australian police departments and how different we are to the structure in the USA, explaining Australian police districts and regions, police ranks, police interview procedures and techniques, police arrest powers, and what it's really like to get tasered, amongst other things. I also go into broader crime fiction writing topics such as detective tropes, myth-busting cliches, and crime fiction sub-genres. To get free access to this library of tutorial videos, all you need to do is send me a message via the contact form on my website, and I'll send you the password to give you full access. As writers approach me with more questions, I'll be developing more videos to cover an even greater range of topics. I'll put the link to this contact form in the video description below. So send me a line and I'll send you the password so that you can browse through the videos and hopefully you'll find information that is of help to you. Of course, if you still have specific questions that are unique to your manuscript, don't hesitate to reach out and we can arrange a one-on-one Zoom session where we can talk through together issues that you're having with your manuscript, and I can provide you with some options to help you add authenticity and realism to your story. Good luck with your writing endeavours, and I can't wait to see more Aussie cracker crime stories hitting the bookshelves soon. All the best.